What is up, guys and gals? On the iPhone 12 series, the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, the 12 Pro Max, this is how to set the flash notification on these devices. So what the flash notification does is the LED light notifies you, lets you know that you got a notification, a call, anything like that. It should be going off, and this is the way to set it up. So the first thing we're going to want to do to set the flash notification light on is go to the settings. And once we are in settings, we're going to scroll down till we find accessibility. Go ahead, select that. Once you are in accessibility, go ahead and scroll down till we see audio and visual. Go ahead, select that. And once we're here, we're going to want to scroll down to the bottom of the phone and we will see LED flash for alerts. We're going to go ahead and select LED flash for alerts. We're going to set that on. And then right down here, the next thing that pops up is it says flash on silent. It says use LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent. So if you want it set just when your phone is silent to flash, keep that highlighted. If you want it to, even if your volume is on your device and you want it to go off, go ahead and deselect that. That way, if you have vibration tone on, it'll vibrate and it'll flash, or it'll ding and flash instead of just doing it when it's on silent. So that's how you have that set. And if you, for whatever reason, if it's not activating, if it's not working, go ahead and just power off your device. Press and hold the volume up and power button simultaneously. You'll get that option to power off. Just power it off and then turn it back on. And then this is for if you want to get rid of it, you no longer want it, you're tired of it, it's annoying, whatever. Go ahead and get back into it. Go by getting into settings. We're going to go into accessibility. From accessibility, we're going to scroll down till we see the audio and visual. From here at the very bottom of the page, the LED flash for alerts. Go ahead and just deselect it, and just like that, it has turned off. So that is my quick tutorial video on how to set the LED flash for alerts on and how to turn the LED flash for alerts off on the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Max series phones. So hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share it with anybody who might be looking for this information, and don't forget to check out that iPhone 12 Pro and Max series